Hey guys, so yeah, this is just gonna be a vlog. I might do this by vlog I mean a blog, not walking around. Anyways, so first of all, I look like this because I had an audition today for one little thing. But yeah, and what I wanted to talk about today was something that happened to me the other day on Wednesday, I think. Oh, and by the way, on Thursday, if you want more of those, I will probably upload those. They're like my YouTube vlogs. Anyways, sorry, I'm really off topic. So, on Wednesday today, I had to take this survey, not telling you why, but, the questions mainly asked about, the birds and the bees. You guys know what I mean by that. SEX. Anyways, oh my god. So my mom decided to explain to me how to use a condom. And after that, she said this, and I quote, "Sarah, you don't have," said this, "Sarah, if you can have sex anytime now, and if you do, just don't use a condom. Just ask me for birth control." Yes, that's exactly what she said. And I was in stage shock. I was like, what? I stared at her, literally like, what are you saying? Because you're giving me mixed messages. It was pretty weird when she said that. I just stared at her like, what? You cannot. You are my mother. You're supposed to say don't. And this is what I told her. Mom, I plan to stay a virgin until I'm like at least in college. That's like what I told her. She's like, whatever, once you start kissing, you're gonna want to do that. I'm like, okay, whatever. Kinda creeping me the frick out, but whatever. But yeah, that creeped me out. By the way, also, I might have a, like when I watch a movie or something, I'm probably gonna do like a review of it, and so today I'm going to go watch The Ocean, so I'm probably gonna do a review of that. Okay, and then I am also, by the way, also on every Friday, which I do, a review of Glee. I've each episode of Glee, but I'm sorry, I kind of skipped the last one because I wasn't able to watch it. So, yeah, I'm gonna try to get it on iTunes though, so I can watch it, but I'm really sorry about that. But yeah. By the way, also tell me if I should do more covers. I want to know about that. Sorry, this is a really short video. So, yeah. Bye.